I would like to ask the BJP, and this is my own case, this is not somebody else's case I'm fighting for. The BJP had a head who was the head of the BJP in Maharashtra. He told me personally on record on television that Supriya Sule, ghar jao, khana banao, desh koi aur chala lega, hum log chalange. This is what the BJP's mindset is. Another minister in their cabinet has used a derogatory word against me. So BJP जवाब दो, जब हमारा कुछ कह रहा है तो इंडिया खराब है. आपके मंत्री पर्सनल कमेंट्स करते हैं पर्सनली on elected women member. I didn't even react. It was not even worth reacting. So I did not say or raise it. But since he brought it up, I just wanted to square it. कि आप करें तो ठीक और हम करें तो गलती. That way, the rule has to be the same for everybody. Another question I want to ask, just out of curiosity, I appreciate their entire speech and the questions. Unless we have delimitation and census, we are not going to get it, is what I've understood from them. Yes. So then what is this special session? तो अभी नहीं करते तो दिसंबर में कर लेते. We could have had other discussions. There's drought in this country. Why this special session? Cannot discuss drought. We could have done hoodwinking. So my question to this government is that date of the next census is indeterminate. The date of the next delimitation is indeterminate. So in the reservation, which is dependent on two indeterminate dates, how are we going to get it? There is no dates only decided for census or for delimitation. So what is the date and the timeline for this? So I can't understand what this is. I'd like to quote the Mahatma Gandhi in this. When the Cripps mission, sir, if you remember, you're such a learned member, he had mentioned when the Cripps mission had happened that post-dated check drawn from a crashing bank. That's what I felt when I saw this.
Thank you.
This is a post-dated check given by them.
Thank you very much.
And Megwal ji made last two comments. Very short points, very short points, sir. That the Megwal ji said that Lok Sabha mein aayega, Rajya Sabha mein nahi aayega. Lekin he said states mein aayega MLC. That's 303. They're 303 here and they're 200 in my state. Jod tod ke har rajya mein unki sarkar hai ab. So why don't they do that? If we failed, I accept we failed. So then what is the difference between you and us then? So if they want to be the change, what they say, so they should apply it in Rajya Sabha. We will support it. I'm sure the entire India.
Thank you.
We will support
Srimati,
it. Sir, the only last very short point, I would like to quote the Jawaharlal Nehru Pandit ji, the first Prime Minister. You can tell the condition of the nation by looking at the status of the women in the state, sir. So even today, the record of Maharashtra, and my friend Kakuli Ghosh talked about the state and the crime against women. I very humbly would like to tell them that what you're giving in decision making as power, we welcome it wholeheartedly, but this house in one voice must say that crime against women has to stop, and together today's Maharashtra data says, and they have a home minister there in Maharashtra where it has gone up exponentially high.